Hello YouTube, this is Miguel Delgado aka Chef Miguelito and welcome to Chef Miguelito TV. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fat keto bombs with just 4 ingredients. And if you're new to the channel, consider to subscribe. Let's go! So we start by mixing all the ingredients together. So the vanilla extract is not gonna give you that sweetness maybe that you're looking for. So you can add stevia or regular sugar. Maple syrup is up to you. One tip I want to give you guys after you're done with this whole process, the consistency is going to be sticky, but that's okay, don't worry about it, because when you start mixing it with the hemp hearts, then you're going to roll the balls and the consistency is going to be fine, so you're good. This is Chef Miguelito checking out, and if you like this recipe, like the video, comment down below, and subscribe my channel to see more recipes like this one. See you next time.